Oh, and welcome everyone. Let's solve this question from a practice for paper 1A. For IB chemistry, a hydrocarbon X is burned with excessive oxygen to give water and carbon dioxide. The amount of X burned is 0.1 moles and it produces 9.08 decimeters cubic of carbon dioxide at standard conditions. We need to find the molecular formula of X. To start solving this problem, we need to calculate the number of moles of carbon dioxide using the molar gas volume, which is the volume of 1 mole of gas at standard conditions. So the number of moles of CO2 is 0.4 mole. In the combustion of hydrocarbons, each carbon atom produces 1 molecule of CO2. Since 1 mole of X produces 4 moles of CO2, hydrocarbon X must contain 4 carbon atoms. So the correct answer is D. Thank you for watching. Like and follow for more videos.